Hey guys, Jason Voorhees here with WeaponOwners.com. Today we're going to be talking about Breakthrough. It's a military grade weapons cleaning solvent. I was sent this by a group that sells it. They sell it at Mounting Solutions Plus. They carry it, and they sent me a sample to try out to review and test to see what I think of it. One of the good things that I've seen on this stuff is that this is non-toxic, safe to use in the house, safe for woods, metals, everything else. We'll be testing it on my M92 pistol here. Don't know the actual retail price of this, as it was given to me as a sample, so can't really say too much on price. I will find out. It will be in the written review. I did get sent this cleaning cloth with it. I'm guessing this is for detailing the weapon after or using on the outside of the weapon. So we're just going to spray it down here a little bit. Don't know how much is actually necessary on it. I will tell you one thing. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but this cleaner made my wood that I stained a lot shinier, guys. I don't know if you can see that in frame, but I mean, that's the side I applied. This is the side I didn't. It's a little more dull. This is the side that's been cleaned. So we'll just keep kind of going on the outside here. We will do the bore. We will do that. For that, I always use my Paul Clean cleaning system with their patches and their rods, so I will be using their cleaning patches and equipment on that with the spray, just to see how well it actually cleans the inside of the bore out. I really like what it does to the wood finish. I think if guys have, bolt action guns with some really nice wood on them, I think you guys would really benefit from using this, just because it's wood safe as advertised, and it really does a nice number on your wood. I mean, this is just my wood there, kind of working. See how clean we can get this. My AK pistol really wasn't that bad dirty, but obviously the rag is showing different. There was some residue and gunk. That happens. Oops. Bumped the camera there for you guys. Sorry about that. The cleaning cloth is nice, but I do notice it does leave a trail. I usually use like a microfiber cloth, which seems to work a little better with doing it. So I don't know about the cloth. What I think of that. It does leave particles and stuff behind, so I don't know if I'm a fan of this. This cloth I just picked up, they were 50 cents at, can't remember the store. I think it was Harbor Freight or Unclaimed Freight, one of those. They had them, or Northern Tool. They had them for like 50 cents. I always like having them around, because what I like about the microfiber cloths is it doesn't leave any particles behind. No strings. No, like paper towels, it'll start actually breaking down the paper towel if you use it. So And there's is kind of the difference. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's my AK now kind of cleaned up here. As you can see, there's no particles compared to the other one. The other cloth kind of left the particles. So next we'll go down to breaking it down. Get it out, we'll get the bore cleaned. Bolt's not really that bad, but we'll hit it, get the gas tube. Try this cloth maybe on different surfaces, it works a little better. I don't know if you can see that, I'm getting all the carbon. Stuff is pretty slippery and slick, so I don't know if it's more of a cleaner or if it's more of a polish or more of an oil so you can preserve it, but we'll let this kind of work in there. See all the stuff down in there. I'll get out. Oh yeah, she's taking her out. Set that off. Now, what I use, this is my Paul Clean cleaning rod. This is carbon fiber, so it's kind of nice if you have a really nice bore and you don't want to scratch it up. Works really well. Also too, Paul Clean cleaning patches. If you haven't seen these or used these, you're missing out, guys, because it's a two-sided non-bleed through patch with a hole that sticks perfectly on the end of your jig. You just slide her on and done. So we'll apply the breakthrough on the patch, running it through backwards. And there's just the first pass of what we took out. You can see she's pretty dirty. I usually spray one side, then just flip it over, run her through again. You can see more fouling and carbon and crap coming out of it. And that's where we're at, boys. She's pretty clean. So does this cleaner work? I normally use other solvents. I've been switching between CLP to Ponder AR oil to Fire Clean. I've tried Frog Lube, but I feel those are good for in the house. I kind of like the spray bottle idea because you can apply it to where you want. You can cover more area with it. I know you're supposed to use all cleaners sparingly, but with anything, you know, sometimes you want to cover more area with things. That's all I ever do to clean my AKs is just that far. The cleaning cloth works good. I haven't seen any thing different in my wood other than that. It's a lot shinier compared to how it was before. Try wiping this down again, see what it does. Still leaves a nice light coating of the break through on it. That's it, guys. That's one very clean AK pistol, and try to set these out in progression. How they went, just so you guys can see just the steps and how much crud it actually took out of this. I mean, you go from pretty much black to hardly anything at all, and we can thank our breakthrough cleaning military grade cleaning solution and lubricant. So I would say, does it work? Yes, it works. I got to do a little more research and find out the price on it. Once I find out the price, that'll actually be in the review. We just wanted to showcase how well this stuff actually works. As you can see, I had a little trouble spot. I tried wiping off with bleach on the table here, and it even pulled that out. So I'm pretty impressed with this stuff versus other cleaners. Makes a nice cleaner even on my plastic bench here that we use for reviews and stuff. So if you guys can, look these guys up, give them a shot. Works for mine. I'll keep using it, keep running it. If I keep running through stuff, I'll post it in the review how well it does, and we'll keep going from there. Stay tuned and look for the review on our forum. This is Jason Voorhees for WeaponOwners.com.